In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Taobao in English. 2025. Step by step. If the Taobao app looks overwhelming in Chinese, don't worry. I'll walk you through switching the interface to English so browsing, searching, and checking out feels familiar and easy. Start by opening the Taobao app and make sure you're logged into your account. Being signed in ensures the change applies across your profile. If the app looks outdated or the option doesn't appear later, it can help to update Taobao first and confirm you have a stable internet connection. From the home screen, go to My Taobao, which is the icon at the bottom right. This opens your personal hub with orders, favorites, and settings. Depending on your version, you might see the Chinese label Wo Do Taobao. So if you see that in the bottom right corner, you're in the right place. Next, look for the settings area. On your profile page, find the three dots or the small gear icon, usually in the top right corner. Tap that to open the app's settings menu. If you don't notice it immediately, try scrolling slightly. It's often tucked at the top of the page. Inside settings, select General Settings. You may see it labeled as Tong Yang. This section controls core app options, including language and display preferences, so it's exactly where we want to be. Now tap Language, which may appear as Yu Yan. This is the dedicated place to switch the app's language. It's straightforward once you're here. Choose English or the international version, often shown as Gojiban. Depending on your device and region, you might see English in parentheses with Yingwen, or a global or international mode. Pick the option that mentions English or the international version. This updates navigation labels, buttons, and most system text into English. Keep in mind that some store content, images with embedded text, or seller-written descriptions may remain in Chinese, which is normal, because that content is created by individual shops. To finalize the change, close the app completely and reopen it. Fully quitting matters because it reloads the interface in the new language. After you relaunch Taobao, check the home tabs, profile area, and settings to confirm the switch took effect. If the language didn't change, repeat the selection and restart once more, making sure your app is up to date. That's it. You've set Taobao to English in just a few taps. With the interface translated, it's much easier to search for